Alright, so this is Unit 11, and it's one view drawings. A drawing should show the object in as few views as possible. Simple objects or objects that are uniform in shape may not require more than one view for a completed size and shape description. This is often the case with cylindrical work such as shafts, pins, or rods. Additional information about the part may be provided in form of notes or symbols. One view drawings save drafting time and also make the print easier to read because unnecessary views are not shown. In the case of figures 11.1 and 11.2, the side or circular views would be omitted. The center lines and the symbol of diameter for the diameter indicate that the objects are cylindrical. So only one view is necessary to describe the cylindrical object. So this is a little pin here, and you can tell it's a 1 inch diameter, 3 inches long. And then the center line and diameter symbols indicate that the object is cylindrical. So again, diameter is 1.25 and it is 2.687 long. Parts are flat and thin may also be drawn in one view. Notes are added to describe thickness, material, or operations. Figure 11.3. When only one view is drawn, it is generally called a front view. So 6 inches long, 1 inch wide, and it's 0.125 thick. So that shows that it is a flat piece of stock rather than a diameter or a sphere. And then this would be y'all's assignment for that, but we're not going to do that. We're going to actually go into auxiliary views. Unit 12. Many objects have inclined surfaces that will appear distorted in principal views. Therefore, it may be necessary for the drafter to show the inclined view or surface in an auxiliary view. An auxiliary view is an orthographic projection that allows the print reader to see an inclined surface without distortion. For example, figure 12.1, surface X is shown in an auxiliary view. In the regular top and side views, the circular surfaces are elliptical and the inclined surfaces appear to be shorter. In auxiliary view, the inclined surfaces are true size and true shape and the whole is round. So auxiliary view, it's going to be right here. Well, it's partial, and you can tell that the circle is an actual oval. Circle instead of an oval. A full auxiliary view shows a full projection of the points, lines, and surfaces in the primary view. However, many times in a partial auxiliary view that only shows the inclined surface will provide all the information required. It is accepted practice to show dimensions on the auxiliary view since it is only place they occur with true size and shape. A primary auxiliary view at A in figure 12.2 shows the true projection and true shape of face C, as it is projected directly from the point primary front view. Another primary auxiliary view is shown at view B. This view is projected from another side of the primary front view. To show the true shape and location of the holes, a secondary auxiliary view is provided. A secondary auxiliary view is projected from primary auxiliary view and is often required when an object has two or more inclined surfaces. So front view, and this would be your primary auxiliary view, and then this would be your secondary auxiliary view right here. So it's just coming off of your primary. Of course, you could also do this to sketch it in your own time if you wanted to, and then this would actually be y'all's assignment for this week. Short and sweet this week. Another 20 questions, and then we're going through here. If y'all got any